Stick around to meet the entitled. Thanks for moving the exact minute I plan to exit. Appreciate it. An afternoon drive is not complete without someone cutting you off. In the previous video, I mentioned the dangers of vehicles parked at the crest of hills. Well, here it is, folks. Potential head-on collision just waiting to happen. Well, that's one way of getting across the street, I guess. Well, I guess green means go for cross-street traffic, huh? So, what was the point of that lane change? Well, that's not the first time I've clipped that curb. Suggestion: pick one lane to drive in. There's one street on my commute that people often use as a shortcut, but as you can see, it doesn't always improve their position in traffic. Hey, who left the dumpster in the street? Next morning, same shortcut, same result. At least this morning, someone moved the dumpster. Cut off in 3, 2, 1. Marietta Street in downtown Atlanta has become a major pain for me. Case in point. What? You're not in the correct lane to make a turn? Just go ahead and turn anyway. Here they are, the entitled. They don't let traffic laws, traffic signals, or even common sense stand in their way. One no parking sign. Two no parking signs. What does it take to get through to some people?